Do you like bring girls to the porta potties? How can a chick get your attention? Where do you smash these girls? In the grass?
Man, shit in the bathroom stall if it gets crazy, or like right there. Fuck it. Why not?
What's there? Backstage?
Wherever.
Oh gosh.
She need it right now.
My nigga.
Since Travis Scott likes dark beats, let's first grab a choir sound and make some chords that can get you all the girls your heart desires. Let's add some effects on that shit. EQ, compressor, sidechain, and a stereo widener. Okay, that's going to be our main instrument for today since we need to leave some space for the vocals. Now let's work on a fire bass that can hopefully bring my ex back, not because I miss her, but because I've been on a bit of a dry spell lately and desperately need some punani.
About to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
Compressor, EQ, more compression, and more EQ. Time for some drums. Okay, that should do it for the beat, so all that's left now is to grab some vocals that sound similar to Travis Scott, and then we can hear what everything we've made sounds like together.
Move of emotion, they drunk at their problems, they always on road and they started. She knows cause she is the same. She's trying to stop playing games. She says sinners are sinners. They do not know what they do. They do not see the mission.
MK.
Move of emotion, they drunk at their problems. They always on road and they stuck. She knows cause she is the same. She's trying to stop playing games. She says sinners are sinners. They do not know what they do. They do not see their mission. They do not see their mission. Where the people are, but they really wanna know who's your lovers and who are your bros. Who are the enemies you do keep close? Who are the people that